Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1200 Leithhead Road in beautiful Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to be taking a look at this stunning 2017 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition. We don't get many of these in. They are kind of hard to come by right now, so I'm really excited to show this to you. Power for this Tundra comes from a 5.7 liter V8 engine mounted to an automatic transmission with four-wheel drive, and it's riding on 20-inch alloy wheels. Starting at the front, we have a beautiful chrome grille with our fog lights. Coming around to the side, you can see we've got our chrome mirrors and door handles, and a nice deep tint for your back passenger windows. It is the four-door, so it's very easy for your passengers to get in and out. And coming on around to the back, we have our color matched bumper with black trim and our 4x4 Toyota and Tundra badging. There is a ton of features inside this truck. It's absolutely loaded, such as leather interior, heated and cooled seats, navigation, and so much more. So let's just hop in and take a quick look at what it's got to offer. Coming on up to the driver's side door. Over here, right on the door, we have our power locks and power windows. Right there is our memory settings for our power driver's seat. Moving on over here, we have our power mirrors, which includes power folding mirrors as well, our door lights, interior lights, and our bed lights, as well as our blind spot monitor and our rear window controls. Let's hop on in and take a look at the steering wheel. Right over here we have our audio controls. There's our volume down there. You can also access other information on the dash using these. And on this side we have our Bluetooth hands-free calling and our display buttons. Coming down here we have our cruise control. And looking further down we have our park assist. It's got sensors that will let you know if you're getting close to anything, our traction control, our tow haul, and our trailer brake output. Coming over to the center, you can see we've got our navigation system here. If we hit the home button, or sorry, the apps button, you can see a bunch of different options that you can scroll through with your audio, your phone, messages, setup, maintenance. If we go to our audio, it's got the Bluetooth connection. It also has an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Coming on down, we have our climate control. Let's just turn the fan down here so it's a bit quieter. It does have the dual zone climate control, electronic, as well as rear climate control as well. So your back passengers are going to be super comfy too. Our four-wheel drive button is over here, or dial I should say. And coming down a little bit, we've got our heated seats and our cooled seats for the front. So that is really nice on very cold or very hot days. Down there is our USB and auxiliary power outlet. And our center console has our shifter and some cup holders. As you can see, we've got this gorgeous brown leather interior. And we have the 1794 badging here on the center console as well. With the wood grain accents, it is quite luxurious feeling. Turning around to check out the back, you can see you can fold up the seats back there to give you a little bit extra room. Or you've got room for 3 passengers with a pull-down center console. If we go way up, we've got our power sunroof, the controls for which are right over here. And there's also more storage right there as well. This is an absolutely gorgeous truck. It is just full of options. There's a lot more that I didn't get to, so you can check it out online at KelownaToyota.com. Let's hop out and take a look at the box of this truck and what you've got for cargo space. Around the back, we've got the lockable tailgate, and down there is our factory installed hitch. And our power outlets right down there. Opening it up, we do have the dampening system for the tailgate, so it's not going to slam on you. And we have our really nice bed here with a spray and bed liner. We've got our hooks for securing your cargo, and it is set up for the tonneau cover. We can close that right up. and continue around to the side. Thank you very much for joining me to check out this 2017 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition. Like I said, if you'd like any more information or details, please check out our website at KelownaToyota.com. You can send us a message at any time and one of our fabulous product advisors will get back to you, or you can check out the rest of our new and used inventory and get more vehicles on any unit that we've got in. You can also give us a call or pop on down to 1200 Leith Head Road in Kelowna, British Columbia, Canada. If you have any comments, please leave them below. You can also check out our social media at Facebook and Instagram at Kelowna Toyota to find out all of the events we've got going on here. We hope everybody's having a really good winter season. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.